In a sunlit attic, a classic handheld calculator opens a window into a time when tiny chips sparked a digital revolution. Its keys click as if Morse meets microcode, guiding viewers through the quiet upgrade from slide rules to pocket devices. A timeline shows the leap from basic arithmetic to graphing power, all inside a device that fits in one hand. The camera follows close as the screen flickers to life, revealing why these modest machines still inspire today. This short journey proves that retro tech isn't relics, but stepping stones on the road to modern ubiquity.